Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller with the KyCPA. This is your weekly roundup for the week of August 28th. We have several topics to share with you today around CPE, conferences, events, and some stuff for our students. So let's just hop right into it. From a CPE perspective, we are excited to talk about Excel University. We have a 20% discount for members, so don't forget your membership always yields savings. So make sure you get signed back up for membership if you haven't yet renewed. This 20% discount offer expires September 30th. So you've got a month to take advantage of that. And there are core skills, automation skills, all sorts of stuff about Excel. A great program for that. I'll pop the promo code up on the screen so that you can have that as well. Conferences, we've talked about these a little bit before. We'll keep talking about them until they happen. And we definitely want to see you at them. We have the CPAs and Business and Industry Conference on September 21st and 22nd. You can either attend one or both days. You can attend virtually or in person. So you choose your own way that works for you. Can't wait to see you at that one. And then the Financial Institutions one is on September 28th. It's the same thing. You can attend virtually or in person here at the Society offices. We've got some events coming your way as well. So make sure to register at kycpa.org/events. Twilight Thursday is happening on September 21st. So that's one I want to highlight today for our special event. That's at Churchill Downs on September 21st. A fun night of horse racing and food and fun and all that kind of stuff. So just a fun way to come be social with your fellow colleagues. Also, we have several networking events that we are having across Kentucky for various dates. We're coming to you: Owensboro, Bowling Green, Paducah, Newport, Ashland, Lexington, and Corbin. We'll pop those dates up for you. Make sure you get registered for those. And students, if you know any student who's looking, an accounting student who's looking to get some leadership opportunities and do some really cool things as part of their collegiate experience, we are offering that just for them. We have an opportunity for them to become an ambassador, which is a liaison between the society and their school. That application deadline is September 8th. And then we have the virtual mock exam on September 21st and accounting interview day, where we are connecting them to real employers to talk about real jobs. And that is the deadline is September 10th to submit your resumes. And that event is on September 22nd. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks so much.